Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily reset your secure folder password on Samsung. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open secure folder on your device and click on forgot pin when it asks you to enter your password. Then after click on reset, provide your email of your account and then you will be able to reset it. If you do not find this solution helpful, head toward the setting application, search for applications, and there you need to search for secure folder. Once you do, click on it, go to its storage, and clear the cache, as sometimes collected cache can also cause issues. Then after, simply head towards settings again. At the top, you will be able to see your account. Click on it and simply sign out. As once you sign out and open the secure folder, you will no longer be needing a password. So that's it. That is how easily you can reset your secure folder password on Samsung. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.